Prof.SUMIOKA's 1 Minute Philosophy.
Hi, how do you do? Bricolage, anti-structuralism. Bricolage is the cultural model proposed by Lévi-Strauss in PANSEE SAUVAGE, 1962. Whereas, structuralism held that the meaning of individual things was determined within a whole that was uniformly designed. He believed that savage culture is made as a patchwork of existing fragments. Although the term bricolage is not derived from him. Briciola is the late Latin word for scrap, so bricolage originally meant repairing. In pre-modern times, people made and repaired most of their daily necessities by their own hand, but with the mass production of the Industrial Revolution, these had become alienated new items that we should purchase from manufacturers. However, after the Great Depression of 1929, many factories went bankrupt, and their parts and work in progress were sold. In addition, the US military withdrew from France, so that needy people rebuilt the shacks for themselves with the scraps. Leroy Merlin procured the materials. Hit by German airstrikes during World War II, the UK was ruined, so they coined a slogan, "Do it yourself." And the French translated it as bricolage. Thus at that time, DIY or bricolage was a common word, and it was a part of everyday life, everywhere in Europe. So, it would be a lie that Lévi-Strauss found it in the anthropological study of savages. A static unified structure is rather an illusion, while regardless of whether savage or civilized, we always continue to create a new culture, dynamically through bricolage or deconstruction.